Porta. I'm 45 years old and I live in Barcelona, Spain. I am married with Salvador from 5 years now, and we don't have children. As a person, I consider myself very positive, happy, very strong physically and mentally, realistic, and nice person. As a worker, I define myself very dynamic, active, constant, responsible, helpful, open-minded, and emphatic. My hobbies are to travel, to swim. I like very much animals, especially the dogs. And the sea is very important in my life because it gives me peace and a lot of energy. I consider that Salvador and me are the best candidates for this job because we have a lot of experience, more than 20 years. We are hard workers. We are very enthusiastic and positive attitude with the things we are doing, and we are trustable and honest persons. If you choose us, you don't regret. Thank you very much.